Train Your Eyes, the new vision therapy software. I'm going to go through few scenarios and you will find yourself fitting well into any one of them. The first scenario here is a busy pediatric OPD where you do not have much time to dedicate to a detailed binocular vision assessment. Or you could be seeing a large number of pediatric and adult patients with significant headache and asthenopic problems, but you do not have a trained team to handle these patients. You could be really diagnosing a lot of convergence insufficiency in your practice, but you do not know if there is a better option than pencil push-up exercises. And as all of us know, these exercises have become very boring. Or you are just in a startup practice, you're very passionate about binocular vision, but you do not know where to start. You could be having successful chain of practices and you definitely want to give an edge over other practices. So what is there in your mind is what next? Or you are belonging to a tertiary eye care practice where there is already a huge potential for patients. And you're also practicing binocular vision to some extent, but following up patients is a big issue. Wherever you could find yourself fitting in, do you think we have a solution? Yes, that is TRY. Why are we really talking about TRY today? According to the 2015 statistics, out of 10 children, 3 have some kind of a significant binocular vision problem, and out of 10 computer users, 4 out of them have some kind of BV issues. The majority is, of course, the well-known condition for all of us, the convergence insufficiency. I may not really need to explain about all these, but just a quick recap. These patients with BV issues complain of tired eyes, blurred vision, sleepiness, difficulty reading, difficulty concentrating, and at the end, very reduced productivity at workplace or at the school environment. When you're really thinking of doing a manual binocular vision assessment in a regular OPD, we of course have a lot of constraints and concerns. If somebody has to do a manual orthoptic assessment, this demands expertise from both skill and knowledge domains. To get the practitioner trained to be able to do this, they need at least 6 months to 1 year of training. Okay, now they have the training, and if they want to do an assessment, then it takes at least an hour to get the entire BV assessment done. Okay, the assessment is done. What next? When I'm thinking of vision therapy, currently the options are very limited, and conventional home therapy options such as pencil push-ups, CAD card have become obsolete and boring. Especially thinking about the present generation Y and Z who are tech savvy, who want everything in the form of technology, then we must definitely think of an innovative solution to address this. Yes, and that is what is TRY all about. What is TRY? TRY, expanded as Train Your Eyes, is a new indigenous vision therapy software designed and developed by Digital Works Technologies Private Limited using the domain expertise of Shankar Nethralaya. TRY is developed such that it can run on latest technology platforms such as your personal computer, laptops, mobile and tablets. And TRY offers both clinic-based and home-based vision therapy at one shot. TRY addresses a wide variety of binocular vision dysfunctions, accommodation dysfunctions, and eye movement disorders. This is just a quick outlook of how the modules of TRY look like, and as we go through the presentation, you will get to know more about the functioning of these modules. What is unique about TRY? Some of you might already be using an imported vision therapy software or must have at least heard about it. But what does TRY have to offer? TRY has normative reference data specific to our Indian patients, and it's been already tested on a large set of patient database. When we offer you the TRY, we also provide training for the eye care practitioners by our expert BV team prior to the delivery of the software. We have simple training modules incorporated within the program that is specific for the patient, whether they are kids or adults, and as well as for the practitioner. And as I already told you, It is compatible with all installation platforms and it's very easy to handle by any tech novice patient. So this is just a quick outlook of what TRI has to offer in a nutshell. So when you just log into TRI, you first go into the diagnostic module, do a quick BV assessment, probably say within 10 to 12 minutes, and then you get to know what the patient has. So you are already able to diagnose the problem of the patient by doing a quick comprehensive BV assessment in a technological platform. Then you will get graphical displays that not only you could see but also the patient could see, and then compare themselves with what is expected and what is achieved, thereby giving you the diagnosis. Then if you want to put the patient on in-office vision therapy, you start immediately, or if you want to give home vision therapy, at one click you send a short quick link of the software to the patient's computer and the patient starts home vision therapy. You can customize the training. So if patient has got convergence insufficiency, you click convergence insufficiency and we will tell you what training need to be given. So for all the 11 to 12 BV problems, we have customized the training for enhancing the use by the practitioner. And then most importantly, once the patient gets the home therapy module and goes, you want to know what they do. So you can easily monitor the patient online and provide regular feedback. And then most importantly, schedule follow-up at regular intervals so that you don't lose your patients. So these modules will enable you to do the diagnosis as well as provide in-office and home therapy. This is a patient version of how their training is going to look like. So if a patient has got a Vergen's dysfunction and you want them to probably do these 4 training, then you customize the program, and when the patient logs in, then the patient just automatically gets to play just these 4 programs depending on their BV problem. And after they achieve a certain level, which we have already incorporated into the module, they will receive motivational cups. As and when they keep receiving motivational cups, you will be able to receive the performance report of the patient as where they stand in your dashboard. We have apt targets for adults and kids. So if you see here, the adult targets are more formal and the kid targets are like more innovative and motivates the kid to really do the program. This is the graphical display we were talking about. So it will quickly tell the practitioner and the patient as where the subject stands in. Are they having adequate Vergen's amplitudes? Are they having adequate binocular vision parameters, or do they need training? So this will give a quick outlook to both the practitioner as well as the patient as whether they are normal or do they need training. This is the patient dashboard and the doctor's dashboard I was talking about. So the doctor's dashboard has got all kinds of practice management tools inbuilt into it. So they not only get a quick outlook of how many number of patients that they have seen every month. They also get to know how many new patients they have prescribed, and we have criteria incorporated into the program that categorizes the patient as critical, moderate and excellent. So when a patient newly starts the program, they start from the critical stage, and as and when they really receive the cups based on the performance, as I showed you before, they move on to moderate and then they move on to excellent. When they move on to the excellent category, then that is the time at which you need to tell the patient, yes, it's time for follow-up, you can come for follow-up. So this will tell you a quick idea of where each patient sits, and if some patient is going to stand in critical for a long time, then you might have to draw your attention to this patient and say, come on, I have to see you before, to see if any further training need to be given. And in the down, you see that the preference of patients for the devices. So does patients prefer to use laptops, mobile, personal computers? So anywhere they can be using this program, and this graph will tell you what is their major preference. So this will help us on a long run to decide apt modules for these platforms. And then this is the patient dashboard. So for every program that they play, they get their day-to-day performance. So if the graph goes uphill, they know, yes, I'm really improving, or if it just declines or if it dips in between, then they probably can contact their eye care practitioner to know where and what is the issue. A little bit science into the development of this software. All the targets are basically random dot stereograms. So these RDS are supposed to be devoid of any monocular cues, and thus the patient will need a specific amount of stereopsis to be able to play these programs. But this kind of targets are very apt for diagnosis and therapy, as they are like very strict with monocular cues, and they're very ideal for diagnosis and therapy. So just to emphasize, what do we have to offer? We have indigenous patient data. At one click, you can diagnose, you can provide in-office therapy, you can provide home therapy, you can follow up the patient. You have a very attractive dashboard with all practice management tools, and then you can prescribe home therapy in one click. Very user-friendly. Technical support is given 24/7, and any tech novice person can operate the program. All this at an affordable, competitive platform.